Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution to the 8th question in exercise 7.4. So let's look at the first subdivision, integral of 2x squared minus 1 by x into x squared minus log x dx. So I'm going to put this x squared minus log x as t. So x squared minus log x is equal to t. So this will become 2x minus 1 by x of dx is equal to dt. So let's take LCM. So this will become 2x squared minus 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Now if you look at the integration, 2x squared minus 1 by x dx together can be replaced by a dt. So let's put this in. So this will become integral of dt divided by t. So directly we can apply the formula. So this is equal to log t plus c. So this is log of x squared minus log x plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision. In the second subdivision, it is integral of e power 2x plus 1 divided by e power 2x minus 1 dx. Before applying integration, I'm going to divide every term by e power x. So the integration will modify as e power 2x divided by e power x plus 1 divided by e power x, the whole thing e power 2x by e power x minus 1 by e power x dx. So every term in the numerator and denominator we have dividing by e power x. Let's write out the answer. So this will become integral e power x plus e power minus x, the whole thing divided by e power x minus e power minus x dx. Now we can put the denominator e power x minus e power minus x as t. So on differentiation, this will be e power x minus of, then you have a e power minus x into minus 1, that is differentiation. So this will change to plus e power minus x dx is equal to dt. So let's put this in the integration. So the whole numerator will become dt, denominator will be simply t. Let's apply the formula. So this is going to be log t plus c. So log of t is e power x minus e power minus x plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 9th question in this exercise. See you on the next video. Bye.